Today I'm going to be changing my nail polish, and I'm gonna show you the polishes or the products that I use. It's two main polishes that I use, and I'll show you what they are. Okay? So this is what they look like, and I get them at Sally's. Okay. This one is American Classics Gelous Advanced Nail Gel Coat. That's what I put on first. And then Seche Vite Dry Fast Top Coat. I put this one on the very top at the end. And so I use these, and then I just choose the nail color that I'm gonna wear. So this time it's gonna be me. So this one. First, I clip my nails. You know, I keep them really short. And then I file any edges that I don't like. You know, that are too sharp. So yeah, I file all the edges. I use my nail clipper and then a little file, and then I'm going to show you how I do it. So I put one coat. So I do 2 coats of this one. Then I'll take my color. This one is Finger Paint Art History 101. This is the color. This is what they look like. Okay, it's a very neutral color. I'm only gonna do one layer, one coat of it, and now I'm gonna do the top coat. This is what it looks like. And when you do this one, it's very fast drying. That's what I love about this one. So for when you want to change your nail polish and you want it to last also, and you don't have a lot of time to wait and for your nails to dry, I really recommend this method. This is what I use so that I can have color, a different color on my nails. It's long lasting and it doesn't chip off easy. And yeah, I recommend it. You can get them at Sally's, and I'll put links if you want to get them on Amazon. But here's my tip so you can have an easy, fresh, new manicure. Okay, so I'll put links of where you can get them, what they're called, and everything. I hope you guys like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Okay, have a good day. Bye.